Hello students. So yesterday consortium of CLAT have come up with a fresh notification for CLAT 24, and like every year they have changed the exam pattern. But I think this change is a good change. This is a student friendly change. So yesterday a notification came which said that the CLAT will go down from a 150 question test to a 120 question test in the same 2 hours time. So what does it mean for all of us? So I will be covering these 3 points. Firstly, what is it, good or bad? So as I have already told you, it's a good move. Reducing it to 120 question is a good move. Second is we will see how to prepare for the new pattern. And third, what could be the format? So let me begin. Why am I saying that it is a good move? I am saying this because this will reduce the time pressure on the student. So if you look at the CLAT pattern over the years, the exam, it has roughly 18,000 plus words that you have to read, comprehend and attempt the questions in those 2 hours. That's a very insane amount of words, and you need to have a very good reading speed as well as comprehension skills to crack the CLAT exam. And I think it wasn't fair to a large section of a society. This move of reducing it to 120 question, assuming that in all the section passages will go down and in all the sections the number of questions will also go down, it will be a much fairer exam. There will be less time pressure on you as a student, and you can perhaps think more clearly while marking the answers. Of course, I am assuming that level of paper difficulty level will remain same as it has been over the last few years. The second part is how to prepare. Now, for me, as far as the preparation is concerned, nothing has changed because you need to change your preparation had there been a change in the areas that they are testing. But the areas that they are testing, the 5 sections, they remain the same. The pattern of the questions remain the same. They will be asking same passages, same type of passages, same type of questions. So nothing changes as far as how you should prepare. Of course, one thing that you need to do now is that you need to appear in mocks that are relevant to the new pattern, that is 120 question mocks. So that is the only change. Otherwise, as far as the day-to-day preparation is concerned, I don't think that you need to change anything. What could be the format in the sense that how many questions each section? So it's very difficult to say. Logically speaking, if they have reduced the test by 80%, then each section can go by 80%. That is one way to look at it. The other way is that perhaps I feel that quant question can go down from 15 to 10. Logical reasoning and English will be 25 each, which is 80% of the current format. And the remaining 60 questions between legal and GK could be in equal split. That is my guess. So ideally speaking, logically speaking, 80% of all the sections, 80% reduction in the number of questions. That could be the ideal format, but it's mere guess. We cannot say anything about what consortium will do. It will only be clear once they come out with the exam format. Till that time, I will suggest that you just keep on preparing the way you have. Take the mocks which are now reduced to 120 questions, and it is a good move. Trust me, you no need to panic about it. If the paper standard remains the same, then there will be a lot less pressure on you on the day of exam. Thank you very much.